Hello, and welcome to the Online Ambassador platform. My name is Ados Michael. How are you doing today? And hope you're doing great. Today, I want to talk to you about how to customize your WordPress website. I'm actually doing this video for my students because I just realized the moment you guys attend my class, some of you might not have already in mind to, create a website. Maybe it's after I've motivated you and encouraged you to understand that as an IT consultant that you are, after you have been, graduated, you are now, an IT consultant who renders services also to other clients who will need your expertise. And for that fact, you need to have your own website where, at least if you ask me as an IT consultant now, can I have your website so I can see what you've done? I can, send it to you, and you go in there, my portfolio section, you definitely see as many of the websites that I've created. So that alone will, want to, motivate you to want to pay me so I can actually create a site for you. So you also, my student that is watching this video right now, you need to understand that you need to have a website. Now, sometimes I discover that few of you are actually having, challenge to see how you want to create your own website. You want to customize it, and because of the training that we have for 3 days, you might be thinking we might not have the time actually to sit down and start customizing the website from ground up. So I just want to take it upon myself to say, okay, you know what, let me really show you few of the websites that are available out there and see in case maybe any of them fall into that which you've desired to actually create as a site. So I'm going to be walking you on today, see how we can talk about popular website that is actually obtainable out there, so you can actually know, okay, what you need to do. Now, web is very vast. As for now, there are billions of websites online, all competing for some share of attention people give to their online browsing each day. When you are starting a new website, it can be overwhelming to think about all other websites out there. But it's helpful to remember that within that huge numbers of websites, you have a lot of different categories of types of website trying to accomplish different things. As you consider how best to build your own website, carefully consider what type of website you want it to be. When you can narrow down the goals and set up what you have in mind, you can easily identify and look When you can narrow down the goals and set up what you have in mind, you can easily identify the other websites in your category to look out for inspiration. Now, here are a few of the most popular websites you will see around the web. While there is some overlap between the different categories, in general, each type of website has certain goals to achieve and its own set of best practice. So what I'm trying to say is, the truth is, every day website is being born. When I say website is being born, website is being built. When I say website is being built, somebody out there, an IT consultant, on daily basis rather, develop and design website. So it's up to you to know which kind of website you want to design. Now, here on my list, I have e-commerce website, business website, entertainment website, portfolio website, media website, brochure website, non-profit website, educational website, infopreneur website, personal website, web portal website, Wikipedia kind of community, and also forum website. There's a lot of them, but these are the most popular ones you can get out there. So it's up to you right now to know which of the website you want. In case you want to know any of the lists that you see here, you can also do what? Go and browse to see what is e-commerce website, business, internet, just all through. Just check them out. So it's up to you to know which one in particular you want to create. Yeah. Don't mind me, just tired. just get back from work. I just felt I should do this quick because one or two of my students have asked me, how can I customize my website? So I felt that was done in the class, but on a brief, so I think maybe I could just want to do extensive, how you can, customize. So I might not have the time to want to go in details with all this, but I will just tell you that the moment you actually get this website, so let me go straight to practical. So taking this guy off. Once you actually decide what you want to design, now this is your dashboard. The most important thing is when you purchase your domain name, host plan, security. Once you make payment, they will send you all your login details to your cPanel. From your cPanel, you log into your cPanel himself, where you change your password quickly, then go to Namecheap SSL, depending on which of the hosting you're using, put in your security, then you go to Subtaclus app installer, install your WordPress, then you find yourself here after installation. Now I have a video also on my description below where I actually show you how you could buy domain name, how you could buy host plan, how you can also get your security from namecheap.com. That also is actually below. And also you're here right now. I assume you've already cleaned up your dashboard once you find yourself here. And in case you also don't know how to do that, I'm also going to be putting a video down below that will show you how to clean up your dashboard so that you get set. So far so good. Right now, let's go. For me, there's many things that is running through my mind right now that I want to create. So first off, the most important thing is for you to have the idea that you have in mind. What do you want to create? Now I've tried as much as possible to make you understand that the moment you choose what you want to create, the purpose of your website, that will now allow you or enable you to understand that I need to go look for a team that need to actually make this particular project come to light. So whatever thing you want to design, the most important thing is for you to look out for that team that you need so you can actually design. So usually, let me go to Team Forest. That's actually where we chase our domain name and host plan. So far so good. This is Team Forest. I have account already. The moment you find yourself at your Team Forest, of course, you might have checked for the very particular theme you want. The dashboard here, you can select I don't know, any of the concepts of what you want to design. It depends on you, whatever you want. You say if you want e-commerce, you just type e-commerce, so you have e-commerce in WordPress. Now you see a bunch of e-commerce theme that you can choose from. So there's a lot of them here you can actually select for. So if it is e-commerce, so I'll show you how to get that. Now you want corporate website. So you want corporate website, you see corporate website, then you get as many out there. You can actually preview and see how it looks. Also you want school management, so you can actually do a school management system. You can actually also get as many. So the most important thing is when you come to teamforest.net, you can actually choose anything. The moment you choose the one you want, or if you're thinking of making up your mind, you can just click preview. Then you can preview and see how it looks and see if that's what you want. Now the moment you preview and see what is available and you think you like it, then the next thing you want to do is to actually make purchase. So it's up to you to choose what you want. So once you've seen what you want, then you can actually make purchase. Then you make purchase and put in your credit card details. Once you've done all that and make purchase, now the account will be created for you. And once you create account, you can actually go to your downloads. Then on your download section, you can actually download any of them. So if you click on download, you say install WordPress file only. You can just click this part that says install WordPress file only, or all this, anyone you want to do, but you can either click this guy or this guy. So if you click this guy, you will now zip it, then get the WordPress file or install the WordPress file So you can actually do that. So once that is done, you can actually get all that. So like say for example, this is what I've gotten. So I click on it to take me to where they are. So this is where it is on zip. I can actually get the one I want to use. So it's up to you. Now what you do is, it's going to be now from your dashboard. You go to where appearance theme. Once you go to appearance theme, then you scroll up, then you do add new. Now usually all these ones that are here are also free to use, though of course you will not get 100% features of the features to use. You can just get like about 40 or 50%. The most important thing is to make sure you always buy a premium version of a theme. It's best you are safe, and it's okay with license. It's always good for you to have a license of any of the theme. So you click upload, then on this section you to click browse now. So click browse. Now all you need to do is to go and look for your particular theme that you want to use. So when you click on the theme, then you can actually do what? Look for where to get the theme. Then make sure you look for where you kept the theme. Look for it. Then if you've seen it, then you can take it off and use it. So far so good. I think I have zip it because it's very simple for you to do. This is what you want to do. You just click on this part and click right click, then click extract. Okay, once you do that, it will now also do open up for you this way, so you can do whatever thing you want to do with it. Okay, so same thing with all that tools, you can also do all that. Then if I also go to my page and go to Amadurs giveaway, you can actually see that I have also theme and plugins that are here that I can use as many that I want to use. So it depends on you. So when you see the theme that you want to use, you can actually click that. So once you do so, it will now do what? Open. Now once you open, you can do what? Install. Now this is as simple as the ABCD. You go to ThemeForest, get the theme you want, or you go to the materials that I give you. If you actually come to my training, then you go there and select the one you want, then you do what? Upload it. After unzipping it, once you upload it, it's now what? On your system, which is something that you're going to use right now. So once you install, you activate, then the theme become yours. All you need to do is to do what? Import demo data. Then you know what? Start taking off what you don't want and put what you want. It's as simple as ABCD. If it's e-commerce, you just import the demo data, remove all the products, then start putting all the client product or put your product. Same thing with any kind of website you want to build. So there's no any two ways. I need to customize it. It's all you need to do is to install and activate the theme that you want. Once you install and activate it, then the most important thing, just like this one here, I've installed and activate, and it comes with its own particular plugins. So I'm going to install the plugins. Once I install the plugins, they're all going to install. And if you see, there's nothing here, but the moment this all finish, you see some of the functionalities also and features will come down, and I can go in there and activate, do all the things I want to do. Most importantly is for you to what do you want? That you want is the theme that you're going to install. Once you install that theme, then customizing it is up to you. What you want to do, how you want to do it, you can actually do that. So this is actually that. You can go to install demos. You click install demos, you see all the demos of the site. You can choose to install anyone. Let me say I want to choose to install this one. I click this guy, say yes, I say yes, I want it to install it. Then install it for me. Then my site become exactly what you're seeing here right now on the demo section. By the time it finishes, you find out that this website is up and ready. All you need is to do what? Remove all the whole stuff you want. What we need is not their content, it's not the images, it's nothing at all. What we need is the framework, so that we can have a framework that we now can start building upon. So it's not enough for us now to say we want to start installing a page builder and start building the site from scratch ourselves. It's also stressful. Well, you can do that if you want to have fun. Maybe you just want to catch fun, you don't want to just rush, you just want to play around. You can actually do that. So it's up to you what you want. So customizing your website is based on the solution you want to provide. You want to actually create. You want to create an e-commerce website, install an e-commerce website theme. You want to install a corporate website, install a corporate website theme. You want to install a blog theme. Now you want to install any kind of business website, a religion kind of website, anything, you do what? Install. So let's see, look at our front end. The front end right now, see how it's looking. So this is how the front end is looking. Sorry, there's a mistake. So this is how this front end is looking. Lovely. So this is side. This is side. So it's up to you. So this is site. So what you need to do is to make sure that you have what you want. So once you do know, all you need is to just take off this guy and start imputing R on. So it's up left for you what you want to create. So the thing is, all you need is to follow the tutorial to understand, okay, these are the things I need to do. So all I need right now is to install the right theme. Now do what? Import the demo data, and you have everything here. Then you start cleaning up, start putting the ones you want, edit, remove the one you don't want, put the one you want. Before you know what's happening, your site is up and running. So it's up left for you to choose what you want and how you want to go about it. So it's actually just as simple as ABCD. So please make sure the video for how to buy domain name and host plan and with security, I'm going to be putting it in the description, and also inclusive of the what they call it, the cleanup of your dashboard also. So the next thing is for you to do, or once you don't clean up your website, the next thing you want to do is to install the right theme based on the project you want to create. And once you do that, you know to do what? Install the demo data, import it in, then the site becomes full just like it is right now. Then what you need to do is to now do what? Edit or remove everything and start putting in new things. That's as good as that. Okay, even if you want a corporate website, the same thing you need to do is for you to go and start editing. Or then if you think you want to also use a page builder, also, it's something that you need to, most times it comes with a theme. You can also start using it to build your website from scratch. So I don't know, this I'm sure this is helpful. So please, what you need to do is to make sure you understand that your process to create a website depends on what you want to create from start. And once you've gotten all the necessary tools you need, the next thing you want to do is to do what? Get the right theme, install it, then import the demo data. Then you now start customizing the site. It's as easy as ABCD. Okay, so thank you for actually watching. Until I come your way, my name remains Amadurs Michael, aka the online ambassador, aka the head boy. Please subscribe to our channel and make sure you click that bell by the side so that anytime I post new videos, you will be the first to get it. Thanks, love you.